Hello, in our previous videos, we learned what AI show AI works types of AI today. We'll answer another important question. What is machine learning? Let's make it simple. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. It helps computers learn from experience instead of following only fixed instructions. Think of it like this. When a child solves many math questions, the child becomes better with practice. A computer can also improve with practice. But instead of practice books, it learns from data. A simple example, imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize apples and oranges. You show it thousands of pictures. Some pictures are apples. Some are oranges. After seeing many examples, the computer starts noticing the differences. Then, when it sees a new fruit, it can often tell whether it is an apple or an orange. This learning process is called machine learning. Machine learning in daily life. You already use machine learning every day. For example, YouTube recommends videos you may like. Netflix suggests movies. Email apps move spam messages to the spam folder. Shopping apps recommend products based on what you viewed. These systems learn from data and improve over time. Important point: machine learning is not magic. It does not understand things like humans do. It learns by finding patterns in data. The more good quality data it has, the better it can perform. Conclusion: let's quickly review. Artificial intelligence is the big idea of making machines perform smart tasks. Machine learning is one way to make AI learn from data and improve with experience. So, remember this simple sentence. Machine learning is a method that allows computers to learn from data without being programmed for every single task. In the next video, we'll learn what is deep learning and how it is different from machine learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join AI Journey Tube.